As you grow old, no, you realize na may mga kailangan kang gawin sa buhay mo. Covering the church has in fact converted me. I was siguro slowly converted, no? Because dati hindi naman ako sisimba eh. No? So parang it worked to my advantage that I was with the church. Kasi like, I got to know more about the church, I got to know more about the religion, just by talking to priests, just by listening to homilies. So, parang nag-widen yung horizon ko. My full name is Manuel I. Yamzuan Jr. So, the camera was sitting in our house, and I started tinkering with it. I loaded the film one day, took pictures, and that started my photography. When I saw the images, sabi ko, I got hooked up to now. Hindi pa nawala yung thrill ng looking at my images every time I look at it. For almost 30 plus years, I photographed the Cardinal until his death. Pinatawag ako very early in the morning. Punta ka dito sandali, papakuha ng litrato si Cardinal. And when he came out, he said, "Can you take my picture?" And that was the start. Hindi na ako tumigil ng kakakuha ng litrato niya. The hobby became a profession. He was so conscious about pictures. Pag nakita niya akong kumukuha, tumitingin sa akin ganyan. No? He became so accustomed to seeing me taking pictures. Hindi niya ako pinapansin. And that's where I got my good pictures. No? Kay Cardinal Sin, in the beginning, I had to struggle to get good pictures. It came out naturally. Parang mas madaling mag-cover kay Cardinal Tagle and Cardinal Rosales. Kay Cardinal Sin, parang practically, I taught him how to be a media person. But later on, Cardinal Rosales and Cardinal Tagle, mga media persons na yan eh. So sanay na silang kinukunan sila ng picture. In fact, not even me, no? Ibang tao kinukunan sila talaga ng pictures. But with Cardinal Tagle, because he's a media person, sanay sa camera, it came out naturally. I also became a lay minister, and during the time of Cardinal Sin, I was awarded the Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice. That's the papal award. It comes directly from the Pope for services rendered to the Church. Hindi mo nakakalimutan yung mga ganun. And this is not a regular person, ano. This is the Cardinal of Manila. We became very close. In fact, I regarded him as my second father. Pag nagkukuha ko, lahat ng ginagawa ni Cardinal, kinukunan ko. Nagkakaroon lang ako ng adrenaline during coverages. No? Pero in fact, I already feel the age. In my work, in what I do for the church, kailangan mo commitment eh. It's not talent kasi anybody can take pictures that I take. No? Counting the number of popes, Pope Paul VI, then Paul II, Pope Benedict, saka nakakaapat na pala akong Pope. The commitment is in what you do to the church. Parang kasi, sir, this is more like, it's not a profession but a service to the church. So you have to be committed. Yung sa akin kasi more of spiritual kesa just plain photography. Photographers take different pictures, take different subjects, and they find joy in the images that they make. But for myself, I shoot priests.
Thank